Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get rid of new carpet smell fast and easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 4 simple steps that you can use to get rid of that new carpet smell faster and easier than ever before. Faster and more easily than ever before. Now, just for the record, this is actually an old carpet that I'm getting rid of. I just grabbed it as a prop to use. But in place of this carpet, we removed this carpet and a new carpet is going there. So I just went through these steps myself, and that's why I figured that I'd make a video about it as I'm going through it. Okay, so step number 1, and sorry it took so long. It's about 45 seconds into the video. Sorry it took so long. You know, we're almost at the 1-minute mark, but I just wanted to give you some backstory about why I'm making this video. We'll make it short and sweet. Number 1, open it up, unroll it. So essentially you want to take the carpet or rug and you want to open it up and unroll it and place some things on the ends, on the corners, the edges, and the ends so that it stays nice and flat on the floor. By doing this, you're going to allow it to get the most surface area of the oxygen in the air around you, in order to get it to air out. You want to unroll it and just get everything available to the atmosphere, essentially, okay? Number 2, you want to open the windows. Now, I suggest you open all of the windows in the house to let out all of the air and just get the most airflow. But at least at the bare minimum, you want to open the windows in the room that the carpet is laid out in, okay? So at least open the windows in that room, but try to open many more windows if possible. I have all of the windows on my main floor and upper floor open right now as that carpet is airing out, okay? It's just, it's the best thing because you get the most air transfer, okay? Number 3, if possible, you want to get a fan and you want to point that fan so that it is directionally pushing the air and pointing the air out of that window, okay? So pick the closest window to the carpet that is laid out on the floor, nice and flat. Get the fan, place it against the window, and make sure that fan is directionally sending the air out, okay? Because a fan sends air in one direction and sucks air from the other direction. So make sure it's directionally sending the air out of that nearest window. This way it's going to take that new carpet smell and send it outside, okay? And lastly, number 4, this is a really good trick because most people will do the first 2 things that I talked about, laying it out and opening up the windows, right? The 3rd one, using the fan, is a bonus. The 4th one, I rarely see being used, but it works wonders when I've done it. You want to go and with socks or barefoot, it's up to you. You don't want to wear shoes on your new carpet unless they're brand new shoes, but with socks or barefoot or brand new shoes on or slippers or something like that, you want to walk on the carpet and sort of slide your feet along the carpet. Now you can just walk on it or slide your feet, but what you're doing is you're moving those carpet fibers, which is releasing that new carpet smell. You don't need to do it for long. You just want to cover the entire surface area of the carpet, and you can do that like once every few hours just to let out the new carpet smell. I keep wanting to say new car smell, but it's new carpet smell that I'm actually referring to. One of these bad boys right here, a carpet or a rug. It's the same process. And essentially, it still will take a few days, but you're going to get the vast majority of that smell out of that new carpet or rug in the first day. And then by day 2, by the end of day 2, if you've done these things again, you're going to get almost all of it out. And by the end of the 3rd day, you should get really like nearly all of the smell out. And at that point, it's just a matter of how much do you want to get out before you actually put the carpet where it belongs, or before you're happy with the result. Because it can be a week or 2 weeks of you doing this before you get every single last cent out of it. So, it's just a matter of how far you want to take it. But yeah, that's essentially it. That is how to get rid of the new carpet smell faster and more easily than ever before. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.